Let's make a delicious, classic hamburger from scratch. First, grab a pound of ground beef, preferably 80% lean for that perfect balance of flavor and juiciness. In a mixing bowl, season the beef with salt and pepper. For extra flavor, you can add garlic powder or onion powder, but keep it simple to let the beef shine. Gently mix the seasoning into the meat, being careful not to overwork it. Now, divide the beef into 4 equal portions. Shape each portion into a patty about 3/4 of an inch thick. Press a small dimple in the center of each patty. This helps them cook evenly and keeps them from puffing up. Heat a skillet or grill over medium-high heat. Once hot, place the patties on the surface. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side. You'll know it's time to flip when you see juices pooling on the uncooked side. Flip the patties and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes for medium doneness. Add a slice of cheese during the last minute of cooking if you want a cheeseburger. While the patties are cooking, prepare your buns. Lightly toast them on the grill or in a skillet until golden brown. Now it's time to assemble. Place your patty on the bottom bun. Add your favorite toppings, lettuce, tomato, onions, pickles, and condiments like ketchup or mayo. Top it off with the other half of the bun, and there you have it, a classic hamburger ready to enjoy. Happy cooking!